This is Ahmed 2P. We're back with us video. Today I'm gonna show you guys Calgary Ice Storm. So before we get the video, you guys know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn the notifications, and I'll go straight into the video. So I have here my gloves right now, and I'm actually not wearing my gloves in here so I can record. So I'm gonna just wear my gloves, just like wear my gloves. I'm gonna just pause the video. No, I cannot pause the video because my hand when I record. So I just put my phone into a safe place. Just hold a minute. So right now I just wear my. Oh wait, sorry. Okay, now I've just wearing my gloves, my other gloves, and this is Toronto Ice Storm. So this is Canada over here. Wait, I have here this thing that can clean. Woo! Oh, okay. Now is this thing we can just like brush like that. Wait. Wait, I'm gonna put it with my right hand. Okay. There. Look. Okay. Now there's a lot of ice in there. Ah, it hurts my eyes. Look how much ice in there. Look how many. Okay, I'm gonna just erase these. Ah. Ow, my ears. Got in my ears. That was just from my ears, okay. Oh, the heck. What the heck is happening? Sorry for that. Okay. There. Okay. Now we're gonna just. Oh. Oh. Ow. There's a lot of sand in my eyes. Oh, look at that. Oh, the tree. Ah! It hurts. Okay. The sand is pretty soft, like, it's just a little bit soft. Look, it's just soft. See? You can just make snowballs and throw it in the car. Ah! Ow! A lot of snow. Ah! Okay, fine, I'm done. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn the notifications on. Thank you guys very much, and thanks for watching.